Ask AI to test a function cold, and it will try to hit your real database. Before generating any tests, give the AI the full picture. Describe the side effects explicitly, whether the function writes to a database, calls an external API, sends an email, or publishes to a message queue. Then specify your toolchain. Tell it you're using Jest with jest.mock or PyTest with unitis.mock. Context is everything. Now, explicitly instruct the AI to generate mocks or stubs for every external dependency, not real calls. Ask it to stub out the database client, mock the HTTP client, and replace queue publishers with in-memory fakes. A good prompt might be, generate tests for this function using Jest. Mock the database module and stub the API client. Verify the function calls them with the correct arguments. This is the critical step most people skip. AI-generated mocks can drift from the real dependencies interface. The method names, argument types, or return shapes might not match. After the tests are generated, manually verify each mock against the real module's type definitions or documentation. If the real database client returns a promise of a row object, the mock should too. Mismatched mocks give you false confidence. Test pass but production breaks. Tell the AI about your side effects. Ask it to generate mocks with your chosen framework. Then always verify those mocks match the real dependencies interface. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.